all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Sensational Butta Lace Unit 20. This is how the curls look. It's really bouncy. It's soft. It does shed. And it does tangle. Take 2-part wig, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with an elastic band. Here's how the hairline looks. Pre-plucked with baby hairs. No smells. Wig specs. You can heat this up 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. I guess these are the shoulder units that they have. The colors that they have. Sensational is one of my favorite synthetic wig lines. I do love the texture of this hair, but as y'all can see, it is already grown out of my scalp and look natural before I even cut the lace off, y'all. Look at that. And it fits my head very, very well. But I'm pushing everything going to the back, and then I'm going to use this clip so everything could be more easier when you install this wig. Then I'm going to take some wax stick and slick all the hair going to the back, because you do not want baby hairs inside your lace. But I'm wearing this wig glueless and sprayless, so it really does matter still, no matter what you do. As you can see, the hair is super sleek back, and this is how you want your wig to look. Very sleek, very natural, very demure. Now I'm going to take my shears and start cutting the ear tabs. When you do this slow. Do not cut your ear off, but do the same thing to the other side. There are different ways to cutting your lace. I'm cutting straight down the middle, and then you can do 2 extra cuts on the side, but I'm going to use this eyebrow razor, and as y'all can see, this eyebrow razor is sharp. That is why it's gliding straight through the lace. And as you can see, this is about to eat very, very much. Before I even put makeup on it, it's giving. But I wish this was a frontal instead of a 2-part wig. It's kind of giving Letitia. Makeup foundation is very important. I'm using shade level 12, the dark side, so this can match your skin tone very, very much. If you use the light side, it's not going to match your skin tone at all. I'm telling y'all now. So please use the dark side. Y'all always ask me, how do I make my synthetic wigs look natural, or any wigs? And the key is dark side makeup. So learn your makeup shade first. I had to go through 3 different shades just to find my shade. most important part is wax stick and hot comb. You don't want your wig looking like Humpty Dumpty, so when you're hot combing your wig, do this super slow, so your wig can lay down flat. I use melting spray, and I'm gonna spray this spray on my finger and then dab it onto the lace. And as you can see, one side is giving, this other side is about to give too, very much. As you can see, it's growing fresh out of my scalp. I like this wig very much. I did want to try this specific wig, and it's giving very much. Let me show you what I mean by flat and super slow. As you can see right now, this is not how to hot comb, because I don't know what I'm doing right now. You're supposed to take the teeth and do this slow. As you can see, one side is not super flat how I want it, but you can see this side is about to be super flat because you see I'm doing it slow. And I'm gonna keep doing this over and over again until your wig is extremely flat at the top, as you can see. And I believe this is a 6-inch parting space, so you're gonna have to do the back too of the parting space, if you understand what I mean.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you